Okay, so a while back we picked up this 2023 BMW X3. This thing's got amazing packages, it looks awesome, drives amazing. But you know what? There's one thing that's bothered me since we bought it. The fact that everything, all the trim, is blacked out, except for the emblems on the back. They're still chrome. So today we're gonna fix that. Today we're gonna put some blacked out emblems on my 2023 BMW X3. So I want to preface this with the fact that I'm not using OEM badges. These are straight from China. If I can find it, I'll put the link down below. Here's the plan of attack. We're gonna start by taping off the existing badges. Then we're gonna use this heat gun lightly to heat up the adhesive. Then I'm gonna use this, well, this is like twine. I've wrapped it around a couple screwdrivers, and we're gonna run that behind the badges to try to loosen them up. And lastly, we're gonna use this 3M eraser disc to get rid of all the adhesive. The badges already are pre-stuck with adhesive, so that should be easy. If you like this video and you want to see more just like it, do me a favor, like this video, go ahead and hit subscribe for more content just like this. Until next time, we'll see you in the garage.